First, you need to switch off the main switch. Take out the plug, okay, for the safety purpose, and then use your hand to hold like this, twist in front, then take out. Okay. This part is for maintenance and cleaning. For the whole body, you can wash or wipe on the whole shaft. This area, there's no issue if you wash with the running water and wipe it. For this area, start from this area, please avoid from contact with water. Okay, for motor area. For the shaft, yes, you can wash and wipe. Okay, for the maintenance or cleaning on the blade side, this is the end, the blade side. So your product will be provide with the opener, call it blade opener. So how to use this? You see the blade, you see the opener. Just put like this, okay, just to make sure like this, hold like this, and this is to unscrew the shaft. You can see inside, and then use this way, put it inside, and turn it anti-clockwise. So to unscrew the shaft, you just spin it anti-clockwise until the shaft is screwed. This is the screw from the inside. Okay, put it here, and then take out this. Be careful to when you take out the blade. So the whole blade and the shaft can be cleaning with normal detergent and rinsing with water. Okay, so to install back the blade to the shaft, put it inside like this. Okay, use the opener to hold the blade. Just be careful. Okay, hold like this, and then put it back the screw. Okay, and then use the key and screw it clockwise. Okay, when it's tight, just use the hand tight, not too tight, just a hand tight. Then take out this one that way, so your blade is ready. Okay, to install this one, make sure this side is okay. So you can see the sub, put it like this and twist. So just to make sure we meet this area, then your machine ready to go.